we are starting the second chapter, whole numbers. Okay. So in this chapter, we will discuss whole number. What is natural number? What is whole number? So what is how to write in number in line? So we will talk about that. First of all, we will revise what is successor, what is predecessor. Successor, already we talk about that. We know successor means we add one more. The predecessor means subtract one from the number. So if you take an example, if you take number 5. 5 is a number, natural number. Okay, whole number, natural number, whole number. Okay, then what's the predecessor of 5? Predecessor means 6, means we have to subtract 1. Successor means, predecessor means minus 1, no? So 4. Successor means we have to add 1. So 6. So we know predecessor means we have to subtract 1. Successor means we have to add 1. So we know very well every number have successor and predecessor. But what about 1? The 1, we know all the numbers have successor, predecessor. What about 1? 1 have successor or predecessor? Can you tell me? Suppose now I am going to find out predecessor of 1. What happened? 1 minus 1. So predecessor is 0. Successor, you know very well, 1 plus 1, you will get 2. Successor, okay, but what is predecessor? 0. Now we want to know 0 is a natural number or whole number. So see why we discuss the predecessor successor. No, we know predecessor successor. When we add one more, we get successor. When we subtract 1 from the number, we will get the predecessor. Okay, but what about 1? 1 has predecessor. Okay, we know. But what is the sign? 1 has successor. Because 1 has successor 2. What is the predecessor? If you find a predecessor of 1, it's a natural number or whole number. Do you know? It's a whole number. Okay. So 0. So 0. No. Now I am going to tell you the two important numbers in this whole number. We are going to talk about that because numbers, we know, actually if you start to count any things or what are the big people, suppose if number of present in your classroom, if you count, how you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 36 students were present. Like this you can start. But what about 0? So the numbers can be classified as two types of numbers we are going to discuss about now. So first of all, natural numbers. Natural numbers. So just look at natural numbers start always 1. Because when you start to count any things, you start always 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. Suppose if you want to count number of tables, how many tables are in your classroom? So what you will do? You have to count start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So totally I have in my classroom 20 tables are there. Or if you start to count computer, how many computers are in your lab? So you start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 computers, 6 computers, then 20 computers I have in my lab. So you always start with 1. So we call it as a natural number. So natural number means start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinitude. It means endless, it's going on. Okay. So natural number means start with 1. Now what is whole number? Because 0 also number, no? So we need to add that number into whole number. What is whole number? When you count the whole number, you have to start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to it is also infinity. Okay, so there are two types of numbers. Natural numbers, we always start with 1, 2, 3. Then whole number always start with 0. So 0 is not a natural number, it's a whole number. But 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a whole numbers. Okay, so the natural numbers we can say as a whole number, but the 0 we can't say as a natural number. Okay, now we will discuss the number line. Okay, when we draw the whole number like this. Now we will discuss about the whole number. How start with? We know whole number start with 0. Okay, then 0 to another point 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5. It's going on. So each and every numbers have the equal distance. We call it as a units. From 0 to 1, the distance is units. We call as units. Okay. So 0 to 1 distance we call as units. 1 to 2 some have distance we call as units. So each and every numbers we call as units. So in this number line we want to understand some important thing. Suppose that if you take a number 0, the right side the number after 1 units have 1. After 2 units, the number 2. After 3 units, the number 3. So, if you see the smaller number, it is left side. The right side of the number all are greater number. If you take 1, if you take left side, it's a smaller number, always smaller number. If see the number, if you take number 1. Left side compare than right side number, it's a smaller number. If you compare to right side of number from 1 to this 2, compare the 1, 2 is the greater number. If you take 2, if you look at in left side, the smaller number compare than 2 is at 1 and 0 is smaller number. If you take it right side, the number goes to all a greater number. So in this line, we understand, for understanding what we understand is straight line, the number smaller number in left, always left, so in right side always greater number only. Okay, so in right side always greater number, left side always smaller number. If you take any number, if you take in 4, if you look at it in left side, compare than 4, 3 is the smaller, then 2 is the smaller, but in right side compare than 4, 5 is the bigger, greater number, 6 is the greater number. So this is that's why we draw the number line for your understanding purpose. So in this way, what is understanding now? It says the right side always greater number, the left side always smaller number. Okay. We talk about the number line now. Now I want to find out given any two number which is the greater number. I told you, when you draw the number line, always the right side of the number is greater number, I told you. So using this number line, we have to find out the 1005 and 9756. Okay, so which is the greater number. So how to find out in this using number line. So what I will do, here 1000, so 1005 means maybe it will come here this place. Okay, so 1005 may be placed in this place. 9000 means we have to call, it comes into this place. So 9756. So compare them this right side of the number, this is the right number, this is the left side of the number. So 1005 is left side, but 9000 is right side. So we can say easily using this number. So 9756 is the greater number. So we can draw the number line, we can place and we can identify the unit distance of the each digits. Means these numbers in it's a left side, then the right side of the each number we can say we already told you it's right side of the each digits, it's a greater number. So the 9000 is right side of most of the side, but in 1005 it left side. So easily we can say it's a greater number. Okay. Okay students, now let me see how to add a number to using this number line. Okay. Now we want to add 3 to 4. So what is the result? How to find using the number line? So it's a whole number. Now we want to add this number. So what we do? 3, you are on 3. So we need to add 4. So we have to jump 4 times. 4 jump. So first we have to jump 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7. Means jump 1, jump 2, jump 3, jump 4. We need to jump 4 times. Then only we can find the total distance, unit distance of these two numbers. So what it means, 3, we need to jump 4 times. So 3 is the starting number, no? So we need to add with this number. So we need to jump 4 times. From here to, see, I will jump first here, 1 jump, second jump, third jump, 4 jump. So what I will get? 3 plus 4, we will get 7. Okay. So using this number line, we can add number. So 3 plus 4, how we can jump? You are in 3, so we need to jump 4 times. Okay. So 3 to 4, 1 jump, second jump, third, 4. Then finally we reach the 7. So we need to jump in the right side. Okay, because we are going to add, no? So if you want to add, you need to jump right side. Okay. Okay students, before we talk how to add a number using number line, let me talk now how to subtract a number using the number line. Okay. The number I want to subtract from 7 to 5. So I told you, when you add, you just jump on the right side. Now when you subtract, you have to jump in the left side. So now I want to start from 7 here. I want to jump 5 times from left side, no? So what I will do? First jump, second jump, third jump, fourth jump, fifth jump. So first time, second time, third, fourth, 5. So I will reach 2. So 2 is the answer. 7 minus 5, you will get 2, no? So 7 minus 5, 2. So finally I reach 2. This is the answer. So now we know how to subtract using the number line. So I want to subtract 7 minus 5. So I want to start from 7. I want to jump into 5 times. So 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4, 5. So finally I reach into 2 numbers in the number. So answer is 2. Okay.